Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlogs and today's video is going to be very important. Today's video is about opening a new clinic. Today we'll talk about the details of how much area is required to open the clinic and where should you open a clinic and what should be the investment and what are all things you need to buy in your clinic present day. See, I have made 2-3 videos earlier, but that was long back before COVID. But now since the prices of everything has changed, okay, because all the things, commodities have increased, whatever things you are buying, they have all increased. So first of all, the first thing before opening a clinic is like mindset. You have to make your mind and you have to convince your mind and you have to be like so much confident that you'll be able to handle the clinic. The first thing is your attitude, like what you have to open the clinic, the decision. Okay, so that is very important. So if you do that, then only you'll be able to open your clinic properly. Now second point is like where you are going to open your clinic. So the location is very important. The location of the clinic should be in such a place that there is a good marketplace over there and it is easily approachable by bus, auto, taxi, whatever the patient is coming, and there is a place for parking, which is very important. So second important thing is place. Third is the area. So I have made many other videos in my videos regarding the clinic size, like how much clinic should be the appropriate size should be there. बड़ा clinic तो सब लोग खोल ही लेते हैं, लेकिन if your budget is little bit restricted, like I know everybody is almost 90% persons, like 90% of the people, like they will be having a tight budget because the dental instruments, chairs, everything has increased a lot. Confident chair is around 2 lakhs. Every chair is more than 1 lakh rupees and compressor is 20,000 rupees. RVG is 1.5 lakh rupees. Then X-ray machines. And with the days passing by, everybody is installing good machines, lasers, cautery in their clinic. And with time, we also have to improve and we cannot just take the IOP and dip it in developer fixer and give it to the patient because everything is going digital nowadays, right? So third important thing is that we have to invest in good instruments. Okay. Fourth is the square feet area of the room. So this is very important because see, patient will be coming to your clinic and there should be a space for at least so that 7 to 8 people can sit together at a time. There should be a place so that you can keep your water bottles or any kind of water dispenser. There should be area for reception. Like there should be a receptionist. If you don't have a reception, at least you should have a sofa where the patient can sit comfortably and wait in that area, and a TV installed. So if you make the area of minimum of 150 to 200 square foot, it's very good. 200 is quite big. My entire clinic is 200 square feet. Okay, one of the clinics. So if you can get an area of 150 square feet of waiting area, that will be very good, and a working area of 200 square feet, that is equivalent to 350 square feet in total if you are getting that area. So please book that area for yourself. And see, there are many expenses along with that. So you have to build a good interior, then also you have to pay some advance to the person, like 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs to the person who is renting you out the place, and you need to make a proper agreement. Because what happened recently in last year, what happened, like I was about to shift my other clinic which is a little bit far from my home to a nearby place, and everything was done verbally. And you won't believe, guys, I have made a video also on the day of changing my clinic. The day everything, all the truck has come and I have to load my chairs, and I had already installed taken out the AC and TV and everything, I had put it in my other clinic. So on the day of the shifting, the person where I was about to shift, the person told me, I won't rent out that place to you, I have given it to someone else for a higher money. So always make sure, कुछ भी verbally नहीं करना है. Always make sure that you are making a good agreement before changing to a new place. This is very important. So now let's talk about the expenses of the clinic. See, expense of the clinic depends. A minimum expense of 8 to 9 lakh rupees is nowadays required to open a clinic, because 2 lakhs you have to keep for interior, then 1.5 lakhs you have to buy a RVG, then another 50,000 for X-ray machine, maybe 40,000 or 50,000, depends which one you are buying. If you are buying a portable one, that is even costlier, that is 1.5. So the X-ray machine is only 3 lakh rupees. So 5 lakhs idhar chala gaya. Then dental chair is 1 lakh, 6 lakhs, and the other instruments will cost you around 2 lakh rupees more. So you have to have a minimum budget of 8 to 9 lakhs nowadays to open a new clinic. But if you still, you can cut out few things, like you should not, if you do, even if you don't buy a handheld RVG or a portable RVG, you can buy a normal wall mounted RVG that will cost you 40,000. So यहाँ पे 1 lakh बच गया. And few things like AC and all is compulsory. You have to put AC in your clinic because you will be working doing root canals, extraction, so you need a cool environment so that you can work. And even if you are staying in a hot area, then patients will be comfortable. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. First, the place, is it easily approachable? There's a good parking place. The working area should be around 150 square feet and the working area should be 200 square feet. And you should take a place so that in the future you can place one more extra dental chair. Suppose you are opening a clinic with one dental chair, then you should have a space you can put a second dental unit within a year or 2 or 3 years, whatever time you may take. And you should always have a provision for growth. Like if there is a provision, okay, you can expand the clinic, you should have some. If you're getting a bigger space, take it, because believe me guys, whatever money you are spending, it will come back to you if you learn good work. I made that mistake. I was getting 2 shops, but I took one. I didn't take the risk. But if you take a little bit of risk, you can take a bigger place, and so that more patients can flow. It will have a bigger look. You can arrange the things more properly. See, I don't buy anything in my clinic now because there is no space to keep. Even if I buy gloves, there is no. There's a lot of things in my clinic, and there is no place to keep it. That I am keeping at my home. So that's a issue. And at home people are saying, why are you getting the killing things over here? So few things are there which you need to keep in mind, which I already told. And the budget, see, even if you can arrange a budget of 3 to 4 lakhs, you can take the remaining amount as a loan. So initially when you're not doing any job and directly opening a clinic, you will not get a loan initially. So what you need to do is, in your name, you need to file an IT return. Right, suppose you are in 3rd year BDS and you have a plan to open a clinic in another 3-4 years. So right from the final year or internship, you start doing the IT return. You don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the chartered accountant and tell, I need to file my return, and say any amount like 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Just do a IT return and take the help of your parents. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, मतलब just go to the chartered accountant and he'll take only 500 rupees. He will file a IT return. Even if you're not getting that much amount of money, अगर आप 2.5 लाख कमा भी नहीं रहे हैं महीने साल का, या 3 लाख नहीं कमा रहे हैं, still you file a return that you are getting the money. With that money, with that IT return, with 3 years of minimum IT return, you are eligible for a bank loan, right? Suppose you are opening the clinic now, okay, this date, and you approach the bank, then he will ask you for a IT return for getting a loan. But you are not doing any job anywhere. You are saying this is your first clinic, so then you will land in soup. You will tend to delay it, or you tend to borrow it for someone for a higher per rate of interest. So better you take a loan, you open a good clinic, even if you are spending, and invest at the beginning only. ये नहीं कि मैं बाद में करूँगा, वो बाद का बाद ही रह जाएगा. तो स्टार्टिंग में अगर आप क्लिनिक कर रहे हैं, so invest totally all good instruments together. Buy a endomotor, buy a RVG, buy good instruments, good quality instruments, buy a good dental chair. So in the long run it will help you. Then you need to invest again and again. Okay. So, and when the patients come into your clinic and they see very good things are there and RVG is there, everything is digital and everything is neat and clean, more patients will flow in. Believe me guys. So this is all with the video today. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to this channel, and you can follow my Insta channel as well, Sai_dental. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.